Where am I throwing it here?
Right straight ahead in between those two biggies.
Oh, dude! Mine just fucking took out a tree. Awesome tree. Check it out.
Damn. Here goes mine.
Oh, see mine at the bottom?
Oh yeah, dude.
Dude, mine seriously took out a tree. It was like... It broke to the right. That's a weird direction.
There it goes.
Oh, mine just hit tree line. Trying to get my belly in the shot.
When's it due?
I'd say about 2.5 hours. As soon as we get back.
Dang, Chris. Here's just the trees there. Did a nice little number. Be cool if the watch there was out there. And we hit it. Won't hear them until he starts charging uphill. Comes after Rhett.